Here's what we expect from the 2023 Ford F-150 Raptor R. It was a bold move for Ford to replace their worshipped V8 with a V6 in the second-gen F-150 Raptor. There were public outroars, but that didn't move Ford to make amends. We have been living with the pain of seeing a V6 slapped into a Raptor for this long, but that ends soon. Ford has finally confirmed that the upcoming 2023 Ford F-150 Raptor R will pack a beefy supercharged V8 right from the crates of Shelby. And they dropped this message in the most dramatic way possible at a Ford Bronco Raptor event earlier this month in Johnson Valley, California. We are glad Ford finally decided to bring back the golden combination of a V8 in a truck. But, most importantly, the 2022 Ram TRX will finally have a worthy contender now. Most of the R's components will be shared with the standard Raptor, but we expect the monster Ford to get jacked up suspension bits and subtle exterior and interior styling cues to distinguish it from the standard Raptor. The 2023 Raptor R will break cover by the end of summer 2022. And we can't wait to see it battle it out for the supertruck title. The 2023 Ford F-150 Raptor R reminds us that a big burly V8 in a truck is guaranteed goosebumps, and it's just around the corner. The rumors are true. Ford will be packing in a V8 in the upcoming Raptor R, and not just any V8. It will be a derivation of the 5.2-liter supercharged unit from the Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 aka the Predator. In the GT500, it churns out 760 horsepower and 635 lb-ft of torque. The engine will be retuned for the Raptor R, and we expect it to churn out a bit less power, around 730 horsepower, but more torque, around 660 lb-ft of torque. The performance graph will also vary because of the usage of a 10-speed automatic transmission in the Raptor R, along with a clever torque-on-demand transfer case. The 9.75-inch rear axle will pack a standard electronic locking rear differential with a 4:10:1 ratio, and a Torsen front limited-slip differential. Expect it to do 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds, which will make it the world's fastest gas-powered truck from the factory. The standard 2022 Raptor already flaunts a serious suspension setup that is made to take a lot of beatings. It has been delivered to provide more control and stability even when catching air like it's child's play. The Raptor comes with a 5-link rear suspension with extra-long trailing arms, a panhard rod, and 24-inch coil springs. Taking care of all the abuse are Fox live valve internal bypass shocks with electronic control and position-sensitive damping adjustability. These shocks are filled with low-friction fluid to help reduce frictional losses in the dampers and provide heightened comfort, both on and off the roads. The Raptor R, however, takes things up a notch with its rear suspension getting sturdier trailing arms, a tad bit more ground clearance, and stronger bracing so that it can take the wraith of 700-plus horses, both on and off roads. As for the tire choice, we expect the Raptor R to come with standard 37-inch BF Goodrich all-terrain KO2 tires. The exterior will mostly be shared with the standard 2022 Raptor. But expect a few subtle tweaks like new livery options, Raptor R stickers and logos, and a bigger hood bump to distinguish it from its subtler brother. The sinister layout of the blacked-out grille and headlights that stretch from fender to fender will be retained. The exhaust system will also most likely retain the clever X-pipe trombone loop design with active valves. This will further elevate the exhaust note. To save the precious exhaust system from harsh bumps and jumps, the tips are swept upwards into the high-clearance rear bumper. There will be almost no changes to the cabin. It will share the seating layout and technology features with the standard Raptor. This includes a standard customizable 12-inch digital instrument cluster and a 12-inch central infotainment touchscreen unit. We expect Ford to provide a few additional carbon fiber interior trimmings as standard. It will also pack the 18-speaker B&O audio system so that you can enjoy hooning this Baja-vibing truck around in the dunes. The first and last time Ford packed a high-performance V8 into a Raptor was back in 2010. The F-150 SVT Raptor R is packed in a 500-horsepower 6.2-liter Boss V8 and was strictly confined to the Baja 1000 races. It was not street legal. But this time's different, and the 2023 Raptor R will pack more power than any other truck from the factory. Ford surprised its audience at a Ford Bronco Raptor event recently with the angry tone of the V8-powered Raptor R. It was enough to send shockwaves around and make people realize that the 702 horsepower Ram TRX is in serious trouble. The recent sighting of the Ford F-150 Raptor R indicates that the storm is nearing. Expect the 2023 Raptor R to launch in the next 3 months. As for the pricing, we expect this powerhouse to range between $80,000 to $90,000.